Hey everybody, and welcome to our Bold Patents Corpus Christi, Texas page. I'm going to go through our top 5 entrepreneurial resources for you, inventor, entrepreneur, business owner, right here in Corpus Christi area that you can go take advantage of. I know as an inventor, just getting started and maybe starting a company or launching a new product, it can feel lonely and difficult. And so I want to be able to let you know that you have resources right here in this city to help you get started. So let's get to that list right now. First and foremost, right here in Corpus Christi, you've got the Coastal Bend Business Innovation Center. That's the CBBIC, Texas A&M, which of course you know is here. This Coastal Bend Business Innovation Center is huge. It's a university-affiliated hub. They have a full spectrum support system with pre-accelerator, incubators, a co-working space. So you can come work, get started, meet other founders and other business owners. It's invaluable, right? Trying to sit down and talk with other inventors or even other business owners to see how are they selling, how are they marketing, what are they doing to, get their product out and sold or started or manufactured. Tons of lessons learned you can find out just by going and meeting with other people, sitting kneecap to kneecap with them and sharing what they've done, and maybe you could advise others too, pass along some lessons learned. So it's a great resource. Check out the CBBIC through the Texas A&M University. Number 2 is Del Mar College Apex Accelerator. Now, this is a no-cost, procurement-focused incubator. And so this is government contract focused. So procurement agents look for specific things when they want to buy. This is the government, right? With the military, when they're buying products, what is the right mode to have your products in? How do you need to position yourself to be able to be on the list, to be an authorized or certified dealer in the specific industry you're in? Now, one quick note about accelerators is typically you'll need to apply to get in, and that is normally one of those things where you're going to perhaps give up some equity. Something I want to put as basically a timeout. I'm not going to say don't do it, but consult with a business attorney. Have a chat to see if what you've done is already organized in an LLC or a C Corp and get it all documented the right way. On top of that, get with a patent attorney to make sure if you've come up with something novel, non-obvious, and has utility, or even a novel design, to get that protected before launching into an accelerator, where you're going to likely have a public disclosure, where you're going to want to be pitching to investors, moving your product to the market. That's a time when you want to always have in your back pocket, have a consult, have your patent application filed before you go public, before you apply to one of these accelerators. But don't miss Del Mar College, their Apex Accelerator. It's awesome. Again, it's focused on government contracts, sam.gov, plan room access, and procurement seminars. All right, number 3, Women's Entrepreneurs Society. So it's a local support network dedicated to empowering women-led ventures with educational resources, collaboration, and mentorship. So if you're a female founder, this is huge. Right here in Corpus Christi, check out the Women's Entrepreneurship Society. It's so good to have mentors, right? Friends, people that can help build up your business, local business, and provide you that support you might need on some of those rainy days. Number 4 is the South Coast Angel Network. This is the SCAN, South Coast Angel Network. It's regional. They provide early stage funding and mentorship to emerging businesses right in Corpus Christi. And again, just remember, whenever you're looking to seek capital, or you're pitching or sharing your invention or your product publicly, you want to make sure you've had a conversation both with a business attorney and with a patent or intellectual property attorney to look at both trademarks and patents before you go apply to one of these networks. Last but not least, number 5 is the Corpus Christi Startup Ecosystem and Events. So this is sort of a collaboration of multiple different events, but something you should not miss. Small Business Summit. This is the Vision to Victory Small Business Summit. It's a 1-day event delivering training, AI-specific training, and a network for entrepreneurs at all ages. There's also, do not forget, a free resource. I mention this almost every time I speak with an inventor from Corpus Christi, is to look at the Economic Development Office and the CCREDC. This is the Development Center. Usually it's a free, sponsored by the SBA, resource for you to get mentors, to get real human being advisors that want to help you move your business forward. right here in Corpus Christi. So don't miss those 5 big resources right here. And again, if you have any questions on intellectual property, patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, or you want to look for an introduction to a business attorney to form and start your LLC, C Corp, or other type of company, get on the call. Call us today, boldpatents.com, or visit our website and book a free discovery call. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your day. Go big, go bold.